Okay, this is going to be our little welding video. So just want to show you, if you guys are interested in welding, you can teach yourself. There's a few things that you got to be careful about, because you are working with high electricity and you know, molting steel, you know what I'm saying? I want to show you what I got here. I'm using my shitty camera. Here's our project right here, that chair, the bracket on that chair. Okay, now there's my welder. Now that welder right there sucks ass. That welder sucks. It's Lincoln makes some of the best welders, but they're little home economy welders. The straight electric ones, they suck. I mean, when you're a welder for like 5 years, like I was, 4 years, I had the best welder, and I had a knack for welding, and I'm used to laying down a weld. You know, I can make it look like a bead of caulk. When you do it so much, you could get really good at it. You know what I'm saying? But this welder here, it doesn't have the gas mixture system with it. I just woke up. You know how I am when I just wake up. I can't talk. So you can get something like that at Home Depot for like $200, but really you're going to hate it because it doesn't lay down a nice weld. Okay, you want to get a weld that has the gas tank with it. When the gas and the electric work together, the weld lays down nicer. Alright, as you can see, I just got done whacking it with the hammer, pulling it with the pliers. I got it pretty much lined up where it used to be. Now what I'm going to do is grind the paint off and start putting my weld down. I hope this welder runs good because I ain't got much wire left. Alright, hold on. Okay, I got it all grinded, all the metals ground off. All the paint's grounded off. Everything's pretty much lined it up. Yeah, let's talk like that today. Everything's pretty much lined up. You know, I was watching some guy video yesterday, and kind of rubbed me the wrong way. So I ain't gonna mention who he is because it ain't worth the advertising for him. But he said, oh, he's a little gun channel, you know. And he's like, oh, these big gun channels, you know, they stink, they can't shoot, and they don't know what they're talking about. You believe he said that? Yeah, okay. The gun channels get to a big size, dude, because something right's going on, bro. You lost all credibility with me, man. I used to watch his videos. I'm done with him. Just thought I'd throw that in there. Can't believe he would say something like that. And I don't understand these guys, man. Yeah, okay. If a lot of people are watching you, you're doing something right, man. That's just, it just makes you look bad when you say stuff like that. You never hear me talk bad about a gun channel. Let me know one time. If you can find in any of my videos I talk bad about someone's gun channel. Anybody. Unless I'm kidding. Sometimes I kid around, you know. Just joking, but you know the difference. You know what I'm saying? Alright. I think that was angled at me. That's why I brought it up. But maybe it wasn't. But, well, who gives a fuck, right? Okay, let's see what I can do with this. Let me get my welder ready. Alright, I gotta have the camera a little far away because I don't want sparks hitting my camera, even though it is my shitty camera. There goes nothing. Well, you can see what I'm doing? Not too bad. The welder's running a little hot. I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit. Okay, now this thing's got a hole in it, so what I got to do is pulsate the welder, build up little tacks. Pain in the ass. Okay, I got this going across here. Now I need to come down here, fill that cracking down there. Don't take much. You see, when it gets real cherry like that, you want to Don't keep putting heat on it. You'll blast right through the metal. Alright, because this welder sucks ass, there's a couple little spots. There's little potholes in there. So because I can't leave the weld on too long because it gets too hot. So all I have to do is just zap the little spots and fill them in with steel. But I don't use a mask with this. Now if you're a safety Sally, get bent, because I'm an unsafe welder, always was. I don't use the mask when I do little stuff like this. I just close my eyes. Okay. Okay. Alright, filled them little holes in, and now I'll get the grinder and smooth it out. I just hit it with some Rust-Oleum glossy paint, and looks alright. It's not the best. I've done way better than this, but like I said, it's just good for little repairs as welder. It'll work. The chair's fixed. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I don't know what I got next. We'll see you tomorrow. See you guys. Thanks for watching.